Now we want to make our high-end skin smoothing. The easiest way to make your high-end skin smoothing. Now as you can see this picture, I took this picture with my camera, my Nikon D3200, and I have already removed some acne before now. I've removed some acne. Now it's time for me to smoothen the skin, to smoothen this my model skin. So how do I do that? First of all, I will duplicate by pressing Ctrl plus J on my keyboard. Then I will have to invert this layer. This is my layer 1. I'll have to invert it by pressing Ctrl plus I keyboard. Then I will change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. This is my blending options here. I'll change it from normal to vivid light. This is vivid light here. Now I'll now go to filter. Under the filter, I will go to high pass. This is high pass. Go to order. Under your order, you will see high pass. Click on my high pass. Then this high pass filter will pop. This high pass and the high pass whatever to pop up. Now I will have to increase my high pass or decrease it. Set it to that value, that's your preferable value. Now I'm using 24 pixel. I'll be using 24 pixel. Why am I using 24 pixel? To smoothen the skin for me. Just need to smoothen the skin for me. I don't want anything to be left behind. I just want it to smoothen the whole skin. I can use between 24 to 36. Let me try 36. Let's try 36. This is my 36 now. I hit OK. Now I'm still working on the layer 1. I will now go to my filter again. Under the filter, I will go to blur. Under the blur, go to my Gaussian blur. This is my Gaussian blur. This time I'm going to set the value to between 3 to 4. Between 3 pixel to 4, just to make it sharp. Let me use 4. For example, this is 4. I'm using 4 pixels. Just want the details to be there. Now hit OK. The next one I'm going to do here is I'll press my alternate key. I'll press and hold my alternate key. Then I will click on the layer mask icon. This is the layer mask icon. I'll click on the layer mask icon. Now I'll go to my brush tool. Pick my brush tool. Make sure you're using a soft round brush. As you can see, my soft round brush is selected already. Now I will bring my soft round brush, increase the size. I'll increase the size. I'll start brushing. But before then, make sure you observe your foreground and your background color. Make sure you observe your opacity and your flow. You can bring down your opacity. You can bring it down to 60. You can bring down your flow to 60, depending on your own choice. So now I will start brushing over the face or the skin of my model. Start brushing. Increase and reduce the size of the brush where needed. Okay, to this side, should go this side. So, size. when using this method, make sure you dodge your eyes, the eyes of your model, the lips of your model, and again dodge those edges. Don't forget, this is just high-end skin smoothing. Don't go too close to the edges.